Wildlife Authority commissioned a second detailed investigation comprising members of staff from the investigations unit and Uganda Police Force. The investigations are still ongoing and findings will inform the next course of action. In the meantime, 14 suspected staff have been suspended to pave way for investigation. Preliminary observations indicate that some tour companies may have been involved in the reported fraud. Further investigations are ongoing to identify their role in the suspected fraud. These tour companies that will be found implicated will definitely be prosecuted in the courts of law. The tour companies which will be found to have been involved in the fraud will be prosecuted in the courts of law. The ministry has further requested the office of the Attorney General. The office has requested the office of the Auditor General to undertake a comprehensive forensic audit covering the period between July 2020 and September 2023. The ministry has further requested the office of the Auditor General